what to do if we want to generate a random number of the records, for example, for the testing. We are going to use DataGenerator component. Let's assign some metadata. Here, in the number of the generated records, I cannot put there some hard-coded number, so I will put there -1, which will simply generate me as many records as I will want before I will return stop, or it will be generating the records forever. So, generator here. Here I have the list of the random functions, which one of them we are going to use to get our maximum number of the records, but I can, for example, use the random string to fill the output value with the random string of the length between 3 to 5 characters. And here in the source, let's do our counting. We will need 2 variables for it. The first one is simply count, where we will count how many records we already outputted. And the second one, we will have our final number, which will be the maximum number of the records. So random integer, and we can put it in 2 ways. Random integer would return us really random one, or we can put there some minimum and the maximum as the optional parameters. So let's do the second option. So we will generate like random number between 100 and 999. And here we just need to put like the ending condition. So if count is equal final number, we are going to return stop. Otherwise, we will just raise it by 1, count ++. Okay, let's try to run it. 331 records, 837, 695. It seems working.